Do you want to know how to draw a fox liner looking so neat, clean, and beautiful like the one you're seeing? Watch this video to the end and you'll be glad. Welcome to my channel. I am China Damian, a minister of the gospel. I minister in songs. I'm a makeup enthusiast. Yeah, I love good food. I love good gospel, godly music. And that is basically it. So to my returning subscribers, welcome back to my channel. To my newbies, a very big welcome. I love you from my heart. God bless you. So today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a foxy eyeliner. Yeah, first of all, I'm going to be extending my eyes because that's one of the reasons why we draw liner in the first place, to extend our eyes, make our eyes look more beautiful and look more attractive, and bring this attention to our eyes. So after extending my eyes, I just went ahead to draw another line from the middle of my eyelids and extended it to the initial line I drew, just to create a shape. Yeah, a shape. I just created a shape there, and now I'm just trying to make it perfect, more perfect. So I am looking straight into the mirror. I did not put my mirror down. I'm not drawing. If you notice, it's almost as if my mirror is the same length with my eyes, because you want to be looking directly the way you're going to be looking at people. You want your eyes to be opened, not wide, but you want it to be opened, like you're looking at someone's right in front of you and you're looking at the person. The way you stand and talk to people, the way you open your eyes normally, on a norm, that's how you want to be looking when you want to draw your eyeliner. Because my dears, when you open up your eyes, whether you have a hooded eye or not, when you open up your eyes, part of your eyelids goes behind, like it enters your eye socket. So therefore, it's no more a straight line, because the skin, part of the skin is folded. So that's one of the things you need to put into consideration. That's why you need to be looking straight into the mirror. Make sure your eyes is open straight, like it should be this level, your eye level. Don't be looking down or don't be looking up. You understand me? So that's basically what I'm doing. Now I'm cleaning up. It's clean up time. So I'm cleaning up my eyeliner. Yeah, that's what I'm basically doing. Look at the way it's looking like this now. It's looking as if it's not straight, but when I look directly at you, you're looking at the perfect line. So that's what you want. Are you seeing that it's looking perfect? Once I open my eyes, like the normal way I would open my eyes and look, are you seeing that it's looking super perfect? But when I look down, there's this curve, as if it's it's slanted from top and then it just came down. Are you seeing how perfect the shape is here? But when I look down, it's as if it's coming down. So that's what you want to achieve whenever you're drawing your eyeliner. So I'm just basically trying to clean up. Don't let nobody tell you that you can't clean up your liner, even the inner parts. You can do that. Just make sure you're using very little concealer so you don't just get to mess everything. Basically that's it, and you have a flawless eyeliner look. Ooh. So guys, I would want you to know that God loves you. I know you hear it from me a whole lot, that God loves you. Yeah, you need to be reminded daily that you're someone's beloved. So you should be treated with this mindset of, oh, I'm treating someone's love. Okay, don't treat yourself anyhow, and don't let people treat you anyhow, because God holds you in high esteem. Okay, so that alone should make your confidence level boost. That's like a confidence booster already, that God is on your side. He's written for you. Imagine the King of Kings being your father, being your friend, being your comforter, your companion. I mean, do you know who you are? Do you know who you are, baby? Yeah. Oh, I'm admiring myself. Are you seeing that short clip? All right, guys, so this is practically it. That's it for having a very nice eyeliner. Are you seeing how it's on point? Yeah, are you seeing how sharp it's looking? I seen the preciseness. Lashes makes a huge difference though. Forget I'm a fine girl on a normal. See Abba's the light now. See, I used to one thing with this my makeup. I used to how my face it made my face look slender. The techniques I used in this makeup, rush to my page or click the link above so that you can, get to the video. Well, thank you very much for watching. I love you and bye.